Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and we are upstairs now with my Grail dolls. I am so smitten by Blythe dolls, I cannot tell you. People ask me all the time, how many Blythes do you have? I do not count. It would not be good for me to count. I wanted to show you my registered trademark Blythe this morning. Oh, she's kind of standing a little, there we go. The Kenner dolls were made, I have two. They were made in 1972, and this is the Pretty Paisley. That is not her original dress. However, it is an original Kenner dress. I have it on her kind of funny, but you get the idea. This is Love in Lace. I just got her not too long ago. They did not come with shoes. Darren made them shoes. Thank you so much, darling. And these really cool stands. I don't have shoes on her right now. Forgive me, I couldn't decide what color, probably purple. Made these really cool stands. Now, I have been advised by Dorie at Dorie's Dollys not to leave these dolls in the stand. And the reason is these dolls were made to be inexpensive children's toys. And now they are expensive, frail, collectible items. And if you leave them in a stand with the weight of their head pushing down, that's why you see so many broken Kenner doll bodies at the Crouch. I also have Takara. This is Simply Love Me. This is an Ashton Drake doll that is not her original outfit, but it is a cute little outfit. Darren made them shoes because she came without. Simply Love Me is in her original clothing. These are the little Hasbro, as you can see, mine are in played with condition, but I'm fine with that. I kind of like it. It gives them character. The Hasbro company bought Kenner, which was sold to Tonka first, bought the registered trademark for the Blythe doll. These are the Littlest Pet Store Blythes by Hasbro. Down here, I have two more of the Ashton Drakes in their original. Oh, hers does not have the plastic. Where's her plastic? Anyway, I love these dolls. I love a redhead. I bought this doll when the price was still reasonable on them. And I don't remember what I paid. But if you watch the Ashton Drake and Takara prices as well as the Kenner, they fluctuate, but they usually go up, up, up. This is an original Ashton Drake that came to me torn apart, sanded, so I did her face up, and that's a whole story. I say about this doll, she might not be haunted, but she is certainly cursed. That's a whole story. I have both of their original papers, their certificate of authenticity. As you can see, hers is back here. And Darren made me a lot of shoes. She came with one shoe. This one has her original shoes on her feet. And she came with two. And then I also have a little Big Eye. I love these dolls. Actually, I have two. I forgot to bring the one up. I have one with purple hair that sits down by my computer in the mornings. I like her there. So these are my registered trademark Blythes. Now, I also have a whole lot of what I call Blythe 202. Some people call them fakies. I do not. There's a lot of reasons that a factory could legally make these dolls, and we don't know the story. But these are some of my many Blythe 202. I also have a 1972 Blythe fashion wardrobe case, and inside of it, I am fortunate enough to have more shoes made by Darren and two additional 1972 original Blythe outfits. Now I'm going to get some hangers and hang these up properly, and the shoes can go in the drawer. But for right now, there we go. But for right now, I just wanted to show them off. I even have the case. These were shipping containers that came out with the Ashton Drake dolls. Thank you, Dorie, for hosting Flashback Friday. I hope you'll take a minute and go watch all of the other channels that are showing Flashback Friday dolls. It's really fun. I always watch. I may not always participate, but it's fun. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.